Hi, I'm Bill Jarrett. I'm with BalanceBox, and today I'm showing you my tilt table. So this mount is really unique in the fact that I can go totally vertical or I can go totally horizontal, and I have the ability to go up to a 26-inch lift. So I can accommodate special needs, or all of a sudden I can go to a tabletop mode and it can be used for projects where you want to have a bird's eye view. The other thing about this is I've got a battery pack on this, so I can actually run a panel for up to 4 hours completely mobile. So at any time, I'm actually able to use this panel, whether with the XL wheels I need to roll it outside or to another room or across a parking lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at balanceboxmounts.com.